In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to receive money via Sendwave. By the end, you'll know exactly how to verify your account and receive money straight to your mobile wallet using your registered mobile number. First, before you receive any money, make sure the receiving account on Sendwave is verified. Open your Sendwave app, log in with your account, and head to the menu or your profile picture. Look for the option called Verify Account. You'll be asked for your full legal name and date of birth, so type them exactly as they appear on your ID to avoid delays. You'll also select the purpose of your account, then tap Finish, and continue to move forward. Next, you'll choose your country. Pick the country that matches the ID you'll submit. Then select the document you plan to use, such as a government-issued ID, and tap Continue. You may see another Continue prompt. Go ahead and confirm. When you're ready, tap Start to begin verification. Now it's time to capture your document. Lay it on a flat surface, use good lighting, and make sure all four corners are visible. Avoid glare and blur, hold your phone steady, and fill the frame as instructed. Once the image looks clear, submit the photo. You'll also complete a quick face verification. Tap Start Recording, then start again. Center your face, follow any on-screen guidance, and keep your expression natural until the recording completes. Wait for the process to finish. That's it for verification. Your details will be reviewed and you'll see a status update in the app once you're verified. After verification is successful, you can receive money. Ask the sender to send funds to your registered mobile number on Sendwave. Make sure your mobile wallet is active and linked to that same number since that's where the money will land. The sender will select your country and choose your mobile wallet provider in their Sendwave app before sending. Once the transfer is sent, you'll receive a confirmation message or SMS from your mobile wallet provider. Keep your phone signal on and double check that your number in Sendwave matches your wallet number. If a confirmation doesn't arrive right away, give it a few minutes, then check your wallet app's transaction history. That's the full process. Verify your account, have the sender send to your registered number, and watch for the confirmation from your mobile wallet. Follow these steps carefully and you'll be ready to receive money via Sendwave with confidence.